Please, I need concentration at this point. Thank you. All right. When we did quadratic, cubic, quartic function, do you remember we played around with having minus, plus inside this, having to multiply them and things like that? Those are transformations of functions, and I just want us to treat it officially and do some practice on function transformation. Even the function that you probably do not know what their equations are, but you have a sketch given. I have some printouts to give you today. You don't need to bother about what the equations are, but yet I still want you to show me the transformation by sketch. So that's why I want us to do this as a review. So if you have a computer, or maybe your graphic calculator, you can type this in, then include plus 2, see what happens, include this minus and plus, see what happens, then we can make a conclusion, and you'll be able to do the sketch quickly. So I give you 5 minutes to try to remember what we did using this as practice. Just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Quickly, everyone. If anyone has finished reviewing, please raise your hand. I give you this worksheet, then you can begin. And if you think you need help, please let me know as well. 5 minutes. Play around with cube here. You can actually use any function, but you can just use cube. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, welcome. Nice looking computer. Like my computer. I think yours is bigger than mine.
Yeah, mine is an older version.
You know, I saw this from a student, but not this color, and I fell in love with it. And I thought I'm going to get it. HP Spectrum. I was just so jealous and I'm going to get it. Okay, so what I said before you came back in, where's the computer? Finish. What I said before you guys came in is that we have done something about transformation of functions, okay, in the past. During the holiday, there were so many investigations that we did that had to do with transformation, but we didn't call it transformation. So maybe you probably wouldn't know, but that's what happened. If you guys remember, when you were in P6 and Form 1, you did transformation, right? Translation, you did reflection, right? You did rotation, something like that. Functions also can be transformed. So one of them is translation. That's what I wanted to observe here. So we did something about, if you have any function and you had something outside, what happens to it? If you had something within the parentheses, what happens to it? Okay, we did something on that initially. So I wanted to maybe practice with this and try to remember what we discussed, because you are lucky here because the function is given as x cubed. In the exercise, the equation is not given, but yet, while this is not given, you are supposed to sketch what this is. You're ready? Okay? If anybody needs help, please let me know. If you are done identifying what it is, then I can give you this worksheet. Do you remember this? Something like this? What it does on the graph? Check with your Desmos app or your scientific calculator to remember. Then you can start this exercise. I don't know how to say you're welcome. I know share is thank you. What? Boo means negative.
Yeah.
Why would I say negative?
Because it's like,
That means,
Like, you don't need
no need to thank. Like,
But I want to thank you. What's the problem?
no, you said you're welcome. Then you asked you're welcome.
Yeah.
That means like.
No, you said no need to thank you. I'm like, no, why no need to thank you?
That's
I want to thank
you.
you. She's so frustrated.
The next
Thanks,
You're
Sam.
welcome.
the next or the bracket again.
Lefty. Yes, sir.
The bracket again.
What? Who's the last? No, you have already. Okay, then that's me. I think I have my copy too. The equation is not there, that's the point.
That's not what we're supposed to do.
That's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to use this to know what happens. Brandy, I need you to pay attention. You were, what's going on? Who is distracting who? No one. Okay, good. When you have any function, stop looking at that paper. When you have any function on the graph, when you have 2, what happens to the original function? When you minus 3, that's the point. So when I give you any sketch without the equation, you're supposed to sketch this one or maybe this one, depending on what I give you in that paper. This is just to remind you what happens to those functions on the xy plane. Alright? So get to it. Leo, what up? Yes, sir.
So like, is this
You are supposed to figure that out from this investigation.
yeah, but like no space.
What do you mean no space? This one?
Inside this level, right? So it's minus 1.
I don't, maybe you're not thinking, maybe you're not getting it right. Because you have enough space to do all the activity. Did you, just a minute, did you do this and you did this and you see what happens? Did you do this and did you do it?
Yeah.
Can you show me, please?
This one is this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Minus 2 goes 2 to this one.
Where's the original one? So can you click on these two so others can disappear except the minus you are in? No, don't close it. Just click on this, click on that. No, but that's what you need, isn't it? Isn't that what you need?
It's left and right.
So look at it yourself.
Oh,
Leo.
okay.
Focus, bro.
Okay.
His name sounds like a number, right? Leo. You know when I was learning numbers in Chinese, it helped me a lot.
What?
Because you were the only one that came to my mind, Leo. Not even Clarissa came to my mind. So I remember Leo, like, yes. With Leo, I can remember 6 finally. You see? Shame on all of you. I couldn't remember any number with your names, except Leo. Thank you, bro. And I did my exam well yesterday because 6 came out a lot. And next time I remember Leo. Both sides? No, it's not so beautiful. I can draw a better graph.
It's like x minus alpha.
Oh, wait, okay, this is the
And then
original.
alpha is to the right.
Okay, so if you are done with that, yes, sir. Is it beautiful graph also a very ugly graph? Hmm? Is it beautiful graph or ugly graph? Or both? Write your name on it. Write your name on it. Right, have you written that? So can you, both of you, check together? I hope you have drawn with pencil, bro.
No, I forgot, and then I just.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
This is an easy way to do it.
So please check just to be sure.
No.
That's-
Oh my god. No.
That one is obviously the same, Ethan.
Yep, it seems about right.
Oh my god, I don't even have a pen.
I think those ones are actually the best. That's why this one would have zero one.
Oh.
What?
Yeah.
And then they also 我的本来就不值钱。这边画的好看，因为我有我有强迫到不好看，不知道，哦对哦，不知道可以啊。不是。
本来就上完，and then if one of them is correct, that means you have the same idea for the rest of them.
我靠。
What does this arrow mean? I have to just draw that.
Oh my god，我不喜欢画这个。后面那个这个很恶心。不会 excuse me。
One, three. First one, move leftward. First one, move leftward.
If it's in the back, it's
By which vector? For those of you that have completed it.
AB.
AB.
You're giving me.
So there's one. Lillian is singing for the first time.
What color should I use?
Purple.
Left.
You don't have purple, ask. You don't have purple? I have purple. I'm just trying to be cooler than you, and you have it already.
No.
Too bad.
Too bad.
Mr. Daniel.
Yes, sir.
No, it's not gonna happen.
You're
Not
not
gonna happen?
here.
Trying to be cooler, you know.
Check this.
他是心情好。
So if you are done with the first, oh my goodness, did you see that? Dude.
我有毛换。换什么？
Do you have all the primary colors?
There's another green and another orange.
Oh my god.
There's a darker green and also a darker orange. And that's also orange.
Okay.
But most
For those that are done, Mr. Chang, for those that are done, this is investigation 2. Because I'm going to write the 2 summaries here. Well, lazy girl. Do the second investigation and complete that. It's a 1-page this time. Exercise this time.
I fell on for like 3 years.
no, you didn't even take one.
Should I enlarge it? Is it big enough? William? Okay.
Alright.
What's going on, sir?
Ran out of battery.
Run out of battery? Oh, sorry. What's the problem, Mr. Brandy? Done with the first one? What is it? Write your name and position.
Just Pepper.
Yeah, I know it.
So the first one is just everything. So the first one is just you multiply the y value. She finished.
It's different.
Both short.
Oh, like you have to multiply. Like you see this point? When it's 3, you multiply this by 3.
You need help? Crystal?
Yeah, for every
help?
time you multiply by 3.
No? Or need help?
I mean by 3. That's why this one doesn't change, right? Because when you look at the y value, this one it just zeros. And then these ones are like multiplied by x. Original, the one x is 0, and then here when like x is 2, and the purple one is like when we divide. When it's 1.5, it's 2 divided by 0. Yeah. 您看我画的线条还行，但是我的画一次我consider this right. Yeah, no so. 需要写吗？需要写那个 equation，就是你们我看到他有写的。
And then the first page. Then on the first page, please. Thank you, sir. What is she talking about? Okay, so I give you the second one, but before I give you the second one, investigate this. To know what happens when you have multiples outside the function or inside the x. You know what I mean? Inside the bracket. Check to remind you what we discussed. You see?
You want me to stay then?
Yeah, this one. Come back. Oh, you're cheating. You already know. Alright, hey,
Yeah,
what's going on?
I'm running low.
Why are you so slow?
I'm
Even with food, you're so
I
slow.
don't have food.
You know, if we really want to show caring how to be fast, we need to order food together someday, and we don't separate. You have to eat fast, otherwise you don't get enough. And we make sure we order Karen's favorite food. Trust me, we're going to teach her how to be fast.
I'll just eat less.
But we don't want that. We want you to eat more.
Oh.
All right. So, second.
And then this one is.
Collaboration is allowed, please.
So is the x.
Yes, sir. Let's check together.
Well, good job.
Maybe like each of them have a
Inclusion. Because you were inside the like you look at
everything else was doing
this one is very good one. So you take the
because I just had to.
Okay, are we working or just chit chat? Good.
Oh, okay.
这个
Good.
正要按这边正在对，那我给你看 A 吗？
Maybe it's divided by 2. Maybe
And then this one is
Good.
this one is negative 6 divided by 2.
So here is the second one. Is that the first one? Everything good? Check together or not? So here it is. Hey, Miss Faye. Share. Oh, I have to learn that. No need to say thank you. Boo something. Booker. T. How do you spell that in B? QI.
Yeah, QI.
QI.
QI for T.
That's chi.
Yeah.
Chi. Bu, ke, chi.
Yeah.
So that's like, no need to say thank you. I'm good. Yeah, for the both of you. We're dealing with graph here, checking chemicals.
See, which point is invariant?
Invariant. Invariant is here. This woman is telling you already. Okay.
Point does not move.
Invariant point does not move. That's the point that doesn't move. So when the question says which point is invariant, means which point doesn't move under the transformation.
哦，所以它加多少？
是那个你看一下，是-2，这就是 x 加的那个数字，然后那个
x 加
2，因为变成
So Mr. Dan, and got us a new bell. So we're going to try into so we don't have to rely on connecting directly. So when we do one and we get a low battery, we change it. We'll try.
用 decimal 的。
I'm just going to throw this out.
It's not a nice
Leo, work like this is done properly when you are working with
分
someone.
数吗？小数？
But anyway, maybe when you are
3.666
yeah, it's always better to work together with people. Okay?
算了。
所以它是哦，
他这个是那种烟味，他抽烟。
没有，
他抽烟。
我是烧菜好吗？然后我说那个阿姨，然后她的菜今天超臭的，那个 spinach，它超臭的，你不要烧的，
它是红色。
然
后2分之1往上，就往下，这是越斜，gradient 越斜。你乘的数字越大，你gradient越斜。那我怎么画出来是10度？你们觉得我知道吗？
有那个小手底吗？
两角键。
啊，这是两角键。
等一下，
好，那是3去说。
3倍。
那个我看是啥？
可能就是30度。那2分之1是多少？2分之1是5吗？对，我才能不差不少。啊 ，stretching 啊，去年没学，就是I 上面有，然后老师说不会考，对，课本上面不会考，不会学。真的来着，我也要看看。
就那个书面外面那个数字，就等于你乘以 y， 这里。
那个 point 是定的。
那
你是 x value say that multiply y value。哦，就任何一点 y
You're
value。
done? You keep it. Okay, shall we check together? Yep. Okay. Alright, so put it there.
x value。
哦，所以会看。
x value 除3。
y value。
Tomorrow will be best. I just have to finish exam, so.
Can I show you my
So really,
这样完了，我忘了。
Lillian has to.
乘2除。
Oh, the first one.
不乘2除1个除。所以在外面的是 y 乘。
Okay, now I'm confused.
我要当时学。
会推测它。
So I needed to put that down.
We're just looking at this. Just need to change the sign. It's the. 那个如果那个数字，x
在里面的话是
x 除那个数字。
A
那为什么下面是 two times something？ 因为0和 two times。
所以那个就是 invariant，因为哦 ，OK，like how？
But my 3 is 1.6, not 3 something. Yeah. We done here.
It's minus 2, which is this. So
哎，奖励
minus 2.
要是这个在里面是除的话，就是正的。
对，啥色的？哦，你这是也做到吗？还没做，完成一些。又不需要比例，打在洗海底吗？
Here.
然后你说 I X L，那是 S L 吗？对啊。In this case. Okay.
好烦啊！谁在前面？
你看收过了吗？你还没收过。收过了，你是谁要提高的？你收过了？有东西啊？有什么上什么东西 ？I have like a hate.
Are we doing our work or just talking? Yo, what? Yo means I have. Or maybe yo, like you're trying to be cool. Which one?
None.
None of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
那所以三是连的底啊，
Why
就这样画下去。
A 种。
A 零轴，y value times 2 x stays the same。
We're just writing the summary, so we don't write too much, but the summary, so we can have something to go over if anybody's lost. So I'm just picking the key points. And it's exactly what you must have observed anyway. I want everybody to write it down.
So when x is 0, y is 3, you just times y. That means x is 0, y is 6.
仲係條山同面山嗰度，但係中間嗰條山。
挖到去6咯。Yeah。
Why go down here？
它为什么就留在这？所以其实一个是往上下推，一个左右转回来。
这里面是左。
等一下，我没到 A 啊，我还在 A 啊。长这样。没有弧度会有吗？有啊，你有画成有一件哦。这样。画完。我用拿。
我把它今天应该填5遍问卷。
So basically the time is the same, but like these points up here go up by 2. Go times 2. Because
六除的有点难懂。OK， come here。有点不懂哎，这个点来的这种这样画下去。这算他解的呢？解的呢？你算错了，解的这个。C times its previous distance from x-axis. So this is the way.
what is it?
那这个是除3。
哦。
我画多一点。
因为这个是负3负6除3，这负2啊，所以就会在这儿。
R, that's an.
2 is
2. R as in 2. Okay, not HE. That's like ER.
H 是哪？和。
R. Oh, okay, R. Okay, maybe I'm missing the sound. I'm just trying to pick Chinese whenever you speak, alright?
y 等于2。 等于 is equal，
啊
等于
别交换难，都是等
等于
New means female, right?
No, different.
女 is
Like
female，
they sound many sounds
Ah.
等于 is equal，
Oh, okay.
等于 is this thing，
Ah.
y 等于 t
不是经常我有点障碍，这个全部点在一起了。
Okay, so you have to take it easy on me,
这个点在这儿啊。
but I'll learn.
6。
I'm still waiting for one day Mr. Daniel want me to come.
Leo, our classmate, or Leo the sixth?
连在一起。
Waiting for one day Mr. Daniel want me to classroom and start teaching in Chinese.
Whoa! Did you hear that?
很明显
He's waiting for Lydia to come to class and start teaching in Chinese.
I have one chance to
Did I see it?